Hey, sports and entertainment marketing. I wanted to do a quick video about this assignment because I wanted to make sure that if you have questions about it or are not really sure what to do here, that you have my voice talking about it to hopefully help you out with that. So the basic idea behind this values Venn diagram is to figure out ways, like places where choices can be made to move forward the things that you and your brand and your target market all care about. So for an example of this, you'll see like big advertisement campaigns about this that make you want to like the brand. So for example, every time I go to McDonald's, I see that McDonald's has advertisements up that say that when you work there, you get tuition assistance and that it's like a great place to start your career. So I am all about people being able to move themselves in the direction they want to go to. So my value is people being able to like follow their dreams. The values of the brand are like recruiting people who are, upwardly mobile, who care about their stuff and who, want to like improve their situation. And the values of the target market, which is also me because I go to McDonald's, but the target market is like anybody that, is going to be buying that product. So those people also want to make sure that the people that are serving them at McDonald's are, people that are career bound and just, getting good experience to start from there, like that there's a certain kind of person that they want to be serving them at McDonald's, and McDonald's is like, sweet, we will assist our employees in getting there, and I think our customers will think that's a good idea too. So that's one of those places where like all of those values can converge, and that's where companies can do some really good work by forwarding the things that people already care about. They can make that happen. So that's what this assignment is about. You can decide what those values are. They can be anything from, like something big like ecological restoration to things like, convenience or like economy. Like, maybe you're selling shoelaces and people just want to make sure that their shoelaces are going to hold up, like durability, whatever. All kinds of different values to have here. So whatever you guys put in here is great. This is just a like thought exercise for you. Okay, there you go.